Hi students, Naveedur Rahman here with a new exam complication on theoretical X right price. Now, before I see this question with you guys, right, I'll actually tell you something about my discussion with our teacher. And he was saying that examiners nowadays are horrible. They are demanding too much. And I said, how? And he said that, okay, well, if the syllabus says that ask the students to hold your ear, right? So the teacher is going to tell them, okay, you can hold it like this, or you can hold it like this, or you can hold it like this, or you can hold it like this, okay? And then when the students goes to the exam hall, the examiner asks them, hold your ear using your feet, okay? So I said, yes, this is right, because in some subjects, it's very easy for the examiner to twist the question, okay? So especially the management subjects like the cost accounting, management accounting, financial management, these kind of subjects, the examiner can twist the question very easily, right? So we'll have a similar question like this. So first of all, I'm going to tell you how most of the student would have done it, and then I'll tell you how the examiner did it, okay? So let's see the question. The requirement says that what is the theoretical X right price and what is the rights issue price? Okay, so two requirements. Okay, Simon Co is planning 1-for-4 rights issue, which means that any shareholder who has four shares will have access to one right. Okay, the value of the right has been calculated as 0.4 as per existing share. Now, if it is as per existing share, which are 4, right? So the value of the right will be equal to 0.4 multiplied by 4, which is 1.6. Okay. Now, the market price, the current market price is 7. Now, when you calculate the theoretical X right price, right? So you will have the existing share, let me simply call it old shares, and the new rights, let me call it new, right? So if you have 4 existing share, you will have 1 new share, right? And the price of the existing share is $7, but the price of the new share is not known. So how are you going to calculate it, right? If you put that in the formula, right? So the formula is that value of existing shares plus value of new shares divided by number of total shares, right? Now we know that the value of existing share is 7, right? So I'll say 4 multiplied by 7. And the value of the new share, it's 1 in numbers, but it's not known. So let me call it X, okay? Divided by the total number of shares. So 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. Now we have the theoretical X right price in here. It's not known. And we have another thing in the equation, which is not known, right? So what we can do about it is this. The theoretical X right price this is also equal to the value of the right plus the issue price. Remember, this X is also the issue price. So I can write my equation like this also. The value of the right plus the issue price or plus the X is equal to 4 multiplied by 7, which is 28. 1x, which is equal to x divided by 5. The value of the right is also given to us is 0.4 as per existing shares. We calculated it as 1.6. So I'll say 1.6 plus x is equal to 28 plus x divided by 5. Now let's move the 5 to the other side of the equation. So it will be 5 multiplied by 1.6, which is 8 plus 5x is equal to 28 plus x, right? So now let's move the x to the other side of the equation and 8 to this side of the equation. So this is going to look like this. So 5x minus x will be 4x and 28 minus 8 will be 20
And now X will be 20 divided by 4, which means 5. So this is basically the issue price. Okay, this was the missing link. This is the issue price and our first requirement, issue price, right? Now it's very easy for us to calculate the theoretical X right price, which will be using the same formula, value of the existing, which is 4 shares multiplied by $7 per share, and 1 share multiplied by now this new calculated one, the issue price 5, and 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So now the theoretical extra price will be 4 multiplied by 7 plus 5, because it's 1 by 5, divided by 5, which is equal to 6.6. So we got the theoretical extra price 6.6 and the issue price also 5, right? Now, this is how most of the student would have done it, right? This is how most of the students would have done it, okay? But look, what the examiner did, examiner didn't do it like this. Examiner simply said, okay, well, the existing share is $7 and we are given the value of the right per existing share. So if every share, right, if every share has this much value, so if you deduct it from the existing share price, this is going to give you the issue price. Sorry, the theoretical extra price. Okay, so let's do it together. Okay, so I'll call it alternatively. Right, theoretical X right price is equal to the current price. And from the current price, if you deduct the value of the right per existing share, right, this is going to give you a theoretical X right price, right? So you see, currently the share price is $7 and every existing share is going to give you a value of 0.4. So when you deduct that 0.4 from the 7, this is the theoretical X right price. Right? That's it. Done. What about the issue price, the second requirement? So I'm using the same formula in here. Theoretical X right price is equal to value of the right plus the issue price. So issue price is equal to theoretical X right price minus the value of the right. Okay. Right. But remember, it's value of the right, not value of the right as per existing share. Okay. So the issue price is equal to theoretical X right price, which is 6.6 minus the value of the right, which is 1.6, which will give you 5. Right? So you can actually do it like this also. Now, if you see the calculation, right, this calculation is quite shorter as compared to this calculation, right? So this is one of the reasons students lose their marks in examination, because sometimes they waste a lot of time in the calculation, okay? So you should know how to do the calculation in different ways, so that when the examiner twists the question, you are still able to do it, okay? Thank you very much.